For number 75, a Carnot refrigerator is to remove heat from a cold space at a rate of 18,000 kilojoules per kilogram per hour to maintain the temperature at negative 8 degrees Celsius. If the air surrounding the refrigerator is 25 degrees Celsius, determine the minimum power required for the refrigerator. So, for letter A, 0.723 kilowatts. For letter B, 0.523 kilowatts. And for letter C, 0.623 kilowatts. And for letter D, 0.423 kilowatts. So, we have a solution here. So, using formula, W equals QL times TH minus TL over TL. So, QL is 18,000 times TH is 25 plus TL is 8 over 273 minus 8. So, using the calculator, we get 2,241.51 kilojoule per hour. Or convert into kilowatts, we get 0.623 kilowatts. So, the correct answer is letter C.